Top 3 fishing knots to spool your reel from hardest to easiest. First, we're going to do the arbor knot. So I'm going to take the tag end and make a regular knot on the end. Just putting a regular knot there. Now I'm going to cut that line off at that knot. So this line is coming off the spool of the fishing line that you just bought at Walmart. Okay, we got a knot here. Now what we're going to do is double this line back like that. Now with the tag end, we're going to go under the main line and pull it up like this. Now we're just going to take this tag end, or the end with the knot, and finish that loop. Now this end will go on your spool. So you're going to open your bail. Now you're going to wet your fishing line. Pull the tag in a little so it's snug. Close your bail. That's the arbor knot. Now this time we're going to use a uni knot to spool our reel. So I'm going to wrap that fishing line around my fingers once, and then the second time I'm just going to go through 2 fingers. So there we have 2 loops. Now I'm going to take this tag line here and wrap it around these 2 lines. Now I'm going to pull that tight. I'm going to put that loop over the arbor. Wet my fishing line and pull it tight. And cut my tag. And if you can't do those first 2 knots, here's the easiest knot of the 3. You're going to wrap your fishing line around the arbor twice. Pull down once. Pull down twice. Cut your tag. Close your bail.